Uhlaleleni ungangeni kule channel ephethe izindaba ezishisa. Igama lami nguVusi Mavusana kwi channel ehamba phambili umkhanya kude TV. Bafowethu ungizwe umfoka Mchunu ke lapha wengane zawethu uyichithile izinsolo eveza ukuthi konke lokho asuka kwenze enkundleni zokuxhumana usuka thunywe uyilo wayengumongameli wakuleli uJacob Zuma lapha wengane zawethu. Nalo ukukhuluma kakhulu ake sikudedelela iclip uzwe lapha ungizwe ephika elala ngomhlana ukuthi yena konke asuka kwenza naye usuka ebeka umbono njengesakhamuzi.
He's a very noble person. He can choose to die today. Kunoma kube nodlame South Africa in his name.
Bukhona bathi mhlawumbe usetshenziswa uyena umsholozi ukudivide ANC especially ukatheka the sitting president upresident uSir Ramaphosa ngathi lapho.
Cha, ngiyachitha konke lokho amanga ahlaza amangosuthu lawo. Ifanele ukwazi ukuthi nina nisho njalo niyangidakelwa. Ngoba nikhuluma into engekho nikhuluma into enifunzwa abanye abantu so that people can never have an opinion in this country except they are being sent by someone except bagqisha imali emasendeni niyangidakelwa abasho njalo eke bangidakelwa because we are grooming the next generation to lead and to be legit and to be honest in the entire society. So now when we create inhlamba entsha kunenhlamba entsha manje uyamuntu ngithini mfana ngithi mina kunenhlamba entsha manje yokuthuka abantu ukuthi for an example emndenini makungaphumelela nje uwedwa buka manje mina umlando wakho uyawazi ngabe ngibuka nje ukhonkotho abanye abantu lapha ukhonkotho izinja lapha eceleni nino plus yakhonkotho yini ukhonkotho into engekho umlando wenu ngiyalazi ngaze ngamncoma uBloss ngathi mina uBloss intatheli lokuqala yakwazi ukushada yakho umuze yenze into ngithi mina yazi ukusebenze ukuthi umsebenzi bese ungena ugcine unake impilo zabanye abantu kodwa yakhe impilo ngamncoma namanje mina ngithena ukwena mangihlala laphansi wazi ukuthi nemfowethu uzongimema ngiyokwembesa manje ngathi mina bafowethu icela ngosuku sidalele ukwakhe ibizo baba omkhulu imisebenzi yamatoho ke kufanele sikwenze nengamanje ke ngikhuluma into eyodwa ngithi mina kunenhlamba entsha ungaphumelela emndenini uthwele so that you cannot enjoy your success and teach the next generation to the routine to ngoba kuthi hayi bafundisa ukuthwala mawukhuluma opinion yakho in a country uqisha imali emasendeni. So now we are creating a generation of robots where you press say mangikhuluma mayikhuluma loya usikakala tell you what is that? We're smart enough for that shit. I am here as the president of the Prince Nation to teach people to be honest and to express their consent regardless of basatshishwa ngokufa nokuphila ngoba uma ngabe you fail to express your consent, you fail to express and exercise your freedom of speech and the freedom of right, therefore you die twice. You are already deaf. The only death you are waiting for, waiting and waking sondelene kodwa into ezakalayo waiting usho ukuthi ushone phansi emgodini
Macengwane siselapho ngoba kade ngisho ukuthi kukhona abakusola ukuthi usebenziswa uformer president uzuma ukuthi uattack the sitting president ubaba uSir Ramaphosa kuke kwakhala ngisho omunye ongathi ngingabuza ukuthi usemndenini wena uformer premier kwaZulu Natal ubaba usenzo Mchunu waze wabiza meeting yomndeni ukuthi usacela ukuthi ukhuzwe ngoba inkulumo zakho azehli kahle and they seem to be to be made ukuthi they attack the sitting president and the current leadership noma the leadership ye ANC ekhona njengamanje wakwakhuluma nawo Macengwane
usenzo Mchunu uyangibhedela. I'm calling you today Senzo Mchunu kodwa ubaba kimi because of what you have done to me. You never exercise the father figure, you never exercise the family representative. You've only cared about your political career. Therefore, you think I was the person yokuthi uchichelicha kuyena. Doesn't matter ukuthi ngiyafa noma njani. So therefore, I got no remorse for you. Ziyakhala ke manje.
But angithi wethu uyakhuza Macengwane.
Ayikho into ayikhuza. Ngoba uyangazi. Senzo minister uyangazi. Macengwane ndaba zethu uyangazi. Wawazi umlando wami uyangathi futhi kangihlanye kwakufanele wena wenze all means to get me and you call me. Kodwa hayi wena ukujatshulelwayo haphazardly eyenzakala emhlabeni. And then you conclude ukuthi I'm the one owenza leyo nto leyo. And then I remember that I was told by someone who is insila ka-president owathi whether you have misled the president as a result of the disaster. Phoenix nje president wena nosenzo Mchunu minister and Bhekicele oba misled ukuthi in terms of ethnic mobilization. That ethnic mobilization come from you, Senzo Mchunu and Bhekicele. So therefore you must answer to that, and I will face you face to face, so to make sure that you answer to that, because you have created a remorse about me that I don't even explain, and then I can't even go further about it. As a result of Utinina, you are protecting your political careers. Therefore, Senzo Mchunu wabheda kakhulu ekuthenini angakwazi ukungifonela mina noma ngifuna sangithole, kodwa mina ngathola ama statement awenzayo, ngathola mina address nation ngami, ngathola uBhekicele address nation ngami ethi kunomuntu ohambe ezibiza ngopresident engakhethwe umuntu. Someone like Bhekicele boasting about my vote. I voted for him to be in parliament. Now he's boasting about my vote that I'm nothing as a public person. I'm nothing as a voter. I'm nothing as a citizen. Yena uposta ngokuthi yena uBhekicele ke mina ngabe ngiyibiza ngomongameli kubongameli ngikhethe ubani yena ukukhosha ngevote lami eParliament. Therefore I wonder whether you are in the next cabinet.
Kukhona nane issue la sisuka lapho ukuthi awuqala ukutwisitana nabaholi noma ukuphambana nabaholi ngenkulumo ukwaphambana futhi no former premier ubaba usihle zikalala kwazi kwagcina kuba ne issue la ekuthiwa naze ngagcina nehlubana ngeqhupha khona awusichaze kwenzakalani nanokuthi nize igcina iphela futhi indaba igcine phi mhlawumbe abanye abantu aba understand ukuthi igcina ifika phi conclusion yayo.
No, the only thing that happened to former premier Sihle Zikalala is that I understood him that is not a leader. The only conclusion I understood him that is not a leader, and is not a body leader. He's got so much feelings, and my feelings mawadinga zomholi waqina umngakho akumasathi iqolo agijime kuwe ngeindololwane so that lo mholi loyo ungakwazi kulokho nje ukuthi ke wehlisa umoya bese uyaphambili. But you can't get on stage and don't expect a bottle from the audience. Nobody likes you. Not everybody likes your songs. If you got so much feelings, don't get on stage. How many people have criticized me? How many people have opinions of me? Did I run after them? Did I threaten to kill them? Did I hit them? No. I'm the leader. I was born the leader, and I understand the media. So I'm here telling ukuthi Sihle Zikalala is not a leader at all. Doesn't matter how much bemnabukelisa bemthatha kwi-province ehlulekile lo shoti bethi akawo bamfishane eParliament abela abantu abafishane eParliament. It doesn't matter ukuthini, doesn't matter ukuthi iphatanisa yenzani ANC ngaye. He's just not a leader. We are in this disaster endlunkulu kaZulu. We are in this disaster in KZN and unrest and everything because we had no leader during the difficult times.
What do you think of the ANC? Do you think the ANC is standing any chance ukuthi ithathe province, maybe we see province? ANC is in the bigger